Good morning. Okay, it is getting cold here. We are in December. Not much to plant, so we're going to forage here for the next couple of months. Now, this very unassuming tree here is the sassafras tree, one of my favorite. Now, of course, you can't identify it by leaves, by green leaves, but focus here. All right. This is a sassafras leaf. See, it's got three lobes. Now another leaves here. I'm gonna try to find them. They look like, here's one. Look like a mitten. See this here? There's one lobe over here and a big one over here. See that? Ta-da! Look like a mitten. A mitten leaf there. Other leaves are 3 leaves. That's pretty cool. But that tells me this is a sassafras tree. And another way is you can take off here. Oh, watch out. There's the camera. Break a piece off. Now, that is beautiful. Oh man, that smells so good. That is sassafras, definitely. You can smell it. Beautiful smelling tree. I love the smell of sassafras. Now, most people here take sassafras. They love the roots. You can make a tea out of it. You dig it up. Very small trees here. Here's another one. Very small tree. You can dig it up and you can clean the roots off and boil them. When you make the tea, it's like a reddish tea. Oh, it smells and tastes so good. I love sassafras tea. It's awesome. And I remember I was a little boy, I'd go to Wiener Roast. I would always love to get sassafras twigs like this one here. Cut it with my little old-timer knife, and I would roast my wieners, my hot dogs here from a Wiener Roast on sassafras trees. Oh, they were so good. Give a little punch to it. It was awesome. All right, so there is food out here if you look for it. The wonderful sassafras tree, right? Edible. I'm not sure you want to eat a trunk, but it is edible. It's not poisonous. It smells great. All right. It's winter outside. Get foraging. All right. See you guys in the spring. More foraging videos to come. All right. Have a great day. Good luck. God bless you.